Add 3 over 14 plus 5 over 21. Now, when adding fractions, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. They're not. I have 14 and 21. So if you're not sure what the least common denominator is, there's absolutely nothing wrong with going off to the side and finding it the old-fashioned way. How do you do that? You write out the multiples of each one of these numbers, and the first number that appears in both lists is your least common denominator. So 14 is 14, and then 28, and then let me see, that's going to be 42. You know what, and I'm going to stop right there because I have a feeling that when I do 21, it's going to be super convenient. So the multiples of 21 are 21, and then look at that, 42. So my least common denominator is that 42. Now I have to turn 14 and 21 into 42. How do I turn 14 into 42? Multiply by 1, 2, 3. And if I'm going to do that to the denominator, I have to do the same thing to the numerator. How do I turn 21 into 42? Well, you multiply by 2. And if I do that to the denominator, I have to do the same thing to the numerator as well. Now I rewrite these fractions. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 14 is 42. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. 21 times 2 is 42. Now I have the same denominator. When adding fractions with the same denominator, you add the numerators. 9 plus 10 is 19, and keep the denominator of 42. Nothing here simplifies. This does not become a mixed number, so 19 over 42 is going to be my answer.